I'm Scott, and I'm an asexual. This video goes out to all my brothers and sisters out there. Some of you know who you are. Others are lost in a world where your feelings just do not fit. Experiencing no sexual attraction to either gender, having no sexual impulse, feeling like you love everyone equally, but that you're less of a person because you can't find anyone like you. Well, guess what? There are plenty like you, and you do count. We're asexuals. Friendly, caring, and passionate folks with talents and gifts to offer the world. You do matter. And it will be good. It does get better. 'Cause the best part is, you're a rare and beautiful bird. Come and join the chorus.